Frosty said that they took his dog and cooked it.
For sure.
Was that in Cambodia?
Yes.
A word to the wise. Don't buy dogs in Cambodia. Or cats. Yep. All right, so this is Braun Strowman's car. If y'all don't know, WWE wrestler, Braun Strowman. Audi R8.
So let me explain something while we're in Florida, right? So everybody's just moving their car because they're scared of the rain. They're going to melt.
Yes.
Normally it's like the people who wear makeup.
Yeah.
Both men and women are going that way to secure their makeup.
Hey, you just left me with a cliffhanger right there and then walked off.
Who you rolling with?
We out here, baby. Yeah, boy.
He got top.
Talk to me, baby.
Hey, I told him when I came up here, all I smelled was tires.
Talk to me.
I know these things have an overheating problem once you start boosting the hell out of them.
It's hot. That's what I said.
This Kev song right here, boy. Woo, Kev favorite song. Then why he walking his way then? He thought I got his car confused with the Subi. So we got Frosty out here. Finally came to ride with us. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Got the Odd Hans on the front. Got the VMA's racing wheels on the back. You know I got to go ahead and shout you out. Overdrive, right? Texas Speed, long tubes. Intake manifold? Just the regular Gen 3? Okay. All right. So it's straight pipe. Who did the rap?
TJ Rap.
TJ Rap? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Cool. That's what's up, bro. I love it. This car looked totally different than what it first did when you first had it. We got Rachel's old car. Totally different car now. Jamie done took this car, man, to the next level. Not a little different. Complete overhaul, bro.
How you liking the cam trigger? The cam trigger 200 RPMs. Which one you running? The 16+2 or the 32? For the 32 for the PRT.
I'm not sure actually. We put that in, so I'm gonna have to look exactly which one. But stock cams right now.
Frosty, you about to get you one?
Yes, sir. Ready? I'm about to get all wet.
Me too.
Hold on, I'm about to do it.
A.K.O.M, baby. Boy, that's one of the baddest cars here, baby. You said you Muslim and you eat what? No, I'm just playing. Don't say it. Don't say it.
Pork chops, pepperoni,
Chitlins.
salami, chitlins.
Woo! You eat pork?
Yes.
You eat beef?
Everything.
My dog. Frosty said that they took his dog and cooked it.
For sure.
Was that in Cambodia?
Yes.
A word to the wise. Don't buy dogs in Cambodia. Or cats.
Yep.
All right, so this is Braun Strowman's car. If y'all don't know, WWE wrestler, Braun Strowman. V10. Audi R8.
Where the twin turbos are down at the bottom. So it looks stock.
They in there somewhere.
It looks stock, but until you hit them turbos, listen.
No, until you're looking at them tail lights from a mile away.
It better be Christian Bale jumping out there. It better be Christian Bale jumping out there.
Kristen Bell finna hop out right now. There's always room when you get out here. Where? Dope. Dope. I know. She got it on the license plate.
So let me explain something while we're in Florida, right? So everybody's just moving their car because they're scared of the rain. They're going to melt.
Yes.
Normally it's like the people who wear makeup.
Yeah.
Both men and women are going that way to secure their makeup.
just left me with a cliffhanger right there and then walked off. Hey, what you say? I had nothing else. I had nothing else. Oh no, the Mustang went off course. It's getting trailered back. It's getting trailered. I need some car parts.
I'm still waiting for car parts.
Cars galore, baby. Ain't a Big Mike. Woo, we got them lined up. They got all the cars out here at the pump, baby. We got the BMWs. How y'all doing? Pretty good, pretty good. I had to come get some footage of these awesome cars, man. Ooh. Boy, parking lot full of cars. Awesome machinery. Hey, that makes two of us.
That's clean as passenger. It's clean as
Yeah, it's just hard to follow
yeah. Inbound single turbo and
burning out, I can't see nobody. I don't know who is who. Coming through with that Lancer Evo. I got the Supra 2 with the wing and it's carbon fiber, just like the Subaru. People thought I would paint it red, but I'ma do it blue. All kind of muscle, all kind of muscle. Pulling up next to my car, you in all kind of trouble. When that